I will not get in the back of the car, and you get in the back of the car now.
Sometime. Just start reversing, Greg.
Just get in the
car. Get in the back of the car.
Hannah,
Get in the back of the van.
No. And I mean that. I will not.
I'm making a stand.
I'm making a video.
Fucking stand.
I've never been in the front of this car ever in my whole life, alright?
What are you talking about?
I've never been in the front of this car. You have to grant me this. Just get in the car.
No. You get in the back of the car now. It doesn't work like that. You can't say, "I would never do it after someone's called shotgun." Get in the back of the car.
Shotgun means nothing.
It does mean something. What are you talking about? Hannah, get out and get in the back of the car. Now.
No.
Do it.
No.
Come on.
Principles, mate. Principles.
Yeah,
Get in the back of the car.
principles
I
too.
got in the front first, so you have to get in the back of the car.
Get in the back of the car. Get in the back of the car. Get in the back of the car.
Get in the back of the car.
The thing was up and you just got in there. It's like, that is a perfectly good seat.
Well, sit in it then.
Yeah, you sit in it.
I don't think so. Just get in the car.
Get in the back of the car. Get in the back of the car.
Get in the car.
Now.
Jen, you're being an idiot. You're acting like
Completely unreasonable. I called shotgun, and then I was like here, and then Mo got in the car, and I was like, oh, I'm gonna get in the front seat. And then you turn up like, oh no, I'll sit here and be a dick. And that's what you're being, a fucking dick.
Well, who's in the front?
Yeah, Greg, and for some reason you.
Well, get in the back of the car then.
Get in the back of the car!
No! Car.
Hannah!
This is ridiculous. Greg's starving. Mo's starving. She's really upset. Look at her. She's crying because she wants to get going.
You're just ruining everyone's life.
Everyone's life.
Get in the car! No! Oh, we're gonna wake it. It's gonna be, I mean, this is a loud argument.
Come on, please.
No, I will not. I will not. No! I will not get in the back of the car. You get in the back of the car now.
She did call shotgun. I know. I know by rights it's hers, but it's funnier to fight for it. Get in the back of the car.
No, you get in the back of the car.
You get in the back of the car.
Get in the fucking back of the car.
Get in, Jen.
Right, I'm watching.
Yeah, bye then.
Get in the back of the car!
Bye, Jen. Bye, Jen.
You can only solve this physically now. It's a
Get in the
fight.
back of the car, Jen. Get in the... Get in the back of the car. Get in the back of the car, Jen.
Oh shit, what just... Get out of the car!
Oh, don't hold on to me.
What do I do? Just get in the back of the car! I will not get in the back of the car!
Why not?
Ever!
Why?
Because you need to be in the back of the car.
Why?
Because I called it. Just
Alright,
get in
shotgun
the
from
back-
Tesco.
Oh, yeah, okay, all the time. Okay, good.
What, as soon as I get along with Jen? Shotgun for what? I get a shotgun from Tesco.
Tesco.
Or Chinese or wherever we're going.
Guess what? I'm not getting out of Tesco, you fucking...
Well, how are we going to get out, you fucking...
Yeah.